Vietnam is a land of timeless charm, where ancient traditions meet breathtaking landscapes and vibrant cities. Ban Gioc Waterfall is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders of Vietnam, located on the border with China. Cascading down in layers, its powerful flow creates a mesmerizing scene of mist and rainbows. Surrounded by lush green mountains and rice fields, it feels like stepping into a dream. The sound of rushing water blends with the beauty of nature, making it both peaceful and awe-inspiring. Ban Gioc is not just a waterfall. It's a magical symbol of Vietnam's natural beauty. Ha Long Bay in Quang Ninh is a natural masterpiece, famous for its emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands rising like towers from the sea. The bay is dotted with mysterious caves, hidden beaches, and floating fishing villages, creating a world full of wonder. Cruising through Ha Long feels like sailing into a fairy tale, where every island tells a story. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is one of Vietnam's most iconic and unforgettable travel destinations.
Mui sand dunes are a stunning natural wonder in Vietnam, known for their golden and red sandy hills that stretch like a desert by the sea. As the wind shapes the dunes, the landscape changes daily, creating a magical sight at sunrise and sunset. Visitors can slide down the slopes, ride jeeps across the sand, or simply enjoy the breathtaking views. Mui's sand dunes are not just beautiful, they offer adventure, peace, and unforgettable moments in nature's masterpiece. The Lunar Castle in Ban Na Hills, Vietnam, looks like something straight out of a fairy tale. Perched high in the mountains, this majestic castle blends ancient European-style architecture with a magical atmosphere. Surrounded by mist and clouds, it feels like entering another world where fantasy meets reality. Inside, visitors can enjoy thrilling entertainment, dazzling shows, and unique experiences. With its enchanting design and breathtaking views, the Lunar Castle is one of Ban Na Hills' most magical attractions, drawing travelers from everywhere. Dong Van in Ha Giang, breathtaking destination where rugged mountains meet endless skies. Known for its dramatic karst landscapes, winding roads, and colorful ethnic markets, it offers a journey full of adventure and culture. The Dong Van Karst Plateau is a UNESCO Global Geopark, rich with history and natural beauty. Here, travelers can explore ancient villages, taste local specialties, and witness traditions preserved for generations. Dong Van is not just a place, it's an unforgettable experience of Vietnam's wild north. Sapa Town in northern Vietnam is a charming mountain retreat, famous for its cool climate and stunning views of terraced rice fields. Nestled among the Hoang Lien Son Mountains, it offers breathtaking scenery and a chance to meet ethnic minority communities with rich traditions. Visitors can trek through misty valleys, explore vibrant local markets, and admire the majestic Phan Xipang Peak. Sapa is not just about landscapes, it's a cultural mosaic where nature and heritage blend into an unforgettable travel experience. Phu Quoc Island is a tropical paradise in southern Vietnam, blessed with white sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush green forests. Known as the Pearl Island, it offers both relaxation and adventure. From sunbathing on quiet shores to exploring vibrant coral reefs. The island is also famous for its fresh seafood, fish sauce, and night markets full of local charm. With stunning sunsets and a peaceful vibe, Phu Quoc is the perfect escape for travelers seeking beauty, serenity, and discovery. Ha Giang City is the gateway to Vietnam's wild and breathtaking northern highlands. Surrounded by towering limestone mountains and winding rivers, it is the starting point for the legendary Ha Giang Loop, a road trip full of stunning views and adventure. The city itself is peaceful, with lively markets, local cuisine, and friendly people welcoming travelers. From here, visitors set off to explore majestic passes, terraced fields, and ethnic villages. Ha Giang City is not just a stop, it's the beginning of an unforgettable journey. Hue City, once the imperial capital of Vietnam, is a place where history and beauty come alive. Nestled by the Perfume River, it is home to the grand imperial citadel, ancient temples, and royal tombs that tell stories of a glorious past. The city is also known for its poetic charm, with traditional music, colorful festivals, and unique cuisine. Walking through Hue feels like stepping into a living museum where culture, tradition, and elegance blend into an unforgettable experience. My Son Sanctuary is a treasure of Vietnam, hidden among lush valleys and green mountains. Once the spiritual center of the ancient Champa kingdom, it is filled with red brick temples and towers built over 1,000 years ago. Despite the passage of time, many structures still stand, showing the skill and artistry of the Cham people. Recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, My Son is not just ruins, it's a journey back into history, culture, and the mysteries of Vietnam's past. Centera Mirage is a stunning family resort in Vietnam, designed like a fairy tale world by the sea. With its water parks, adventure zones, and themed designs, it feels like stepping into a magical playground for both kids and adults. Guests can enjoy thrilling slides, relaxing pools, and breathtaking ocean views, all in one destination. Beyond fun, the resort offers luxurious rooms, delicious dining, and unforgettable activities. Centera Mirage is not just a stay, it's an experience filled with joy, wonder, and excitement. The Mekong River is the lifeline of southern Vietnam, flowing with history, culture, and endless beauty. Stretching through fertile lands, it creates a vast delta filled with rice fields, fruit orchards, and floating markets. Life here moves along the water, with boats carrying goods, families, and traditions passed down for generations. Visitors can cruise through winding canals, taste tropical fruits, and witness the vibrant daily rhythm of river communities. The Mekong is not just a river, it's the beating heart of Vietnam's countryside. Mu Cang Chai District in northern Vietnam is a breathtaking land of golden rice terraces that glow like waves across the mountains. Famous for its stunning harvest season,
the fields create one of the most beautiful landscapes in the country. Travelers come here to trek along winding paths, visit ethnic minority villages, and capture unforgettable views. The district is also rich in culture, with traditions preserved for generations. Mù Cang Chai is not just scenery, it's a living masterpiece of nature and people.